All right, today the boss lady has pulled in, my beautiful and lovely wife, and we're at open house. Give us a call. We at 1220 Robert King High, and we're having an open house here today. Gabbo, tell them hi, Gabby.
You got me sick.
Uh-oh, got that baby sick. Gabbo. All right, check it out. You got to come down and see us today. I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes LLC, and my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, we got open house. All right, me and my sister's here. My wife is on the way, and we're having an open house here today. As you can see, we got the open house sign flying high. We're at 1220 Robert King High Drive. Give us a call in Lakeland, 863-410-0877. We got a 4-bedroom, 2 baths. Salute all veterans. What's up, veterans? What's up, man? You never ever miss an event. This guy, Jake, this guy is always on it.
If I ain't out there, then I ain't gonna be known.
Jacob! Now Jake just called somebody else. He said, I'm not gonna put it on.
Yeah, he's still gonna put it up. Gabby, you sleeping?
What's up, man? Come over and meet her. Hey, look. Got my dog Mooney signing in from Real Dream Homes. Salute law enforcement. Yeah, that's right. Gabby, you said what's up to Uncle Mooney? Mooney, check it out, dog. Yeah, come check it out. Check it out. I came back and did some stuff. Gabby, with your auntie Loretta. All right, today we're at the open house. Because I don't want the air to be going out, you know what I'm saying? So you have to, yeah. It's already. Get it, Gabbo, let me see you. Ride. I know y'all. Check us out. Bravo! Back in. All right, come see us today. We're having an open house. We have a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. We got some folks coming in right now, checking out the open house.